institution musically, culturally, and to really help in preserving, propagating this treasure of our country, which is the music of our country, which I really feel that ours is the only country in the world which has got two forms of classical music, which we need to preserve. Otherwise, if we don't do it now, I think I see a very bleak future. So that's why I've like jumped into musical education in a very big way, and I'm so glad that NCPA has kind of understood my vision too and has agreed and given me an opportunity to participate there. Thank you so much. Dr. Rao, you've been, she's been so kind. Always, we've done so many shows here. Almost, I think, once in 2 years I come, not once in a year. She wants me to perform once in a year. But I said, no, don't overexpose me. I'll do it once in 2 years. I always come and perform for this fantastic place. And every time we've had a successful concert, I've come as a Bollywood singer, I've come as a fusion singer, I've come as a classical singer, I've come as a devotional singer, I performed with the Symphony of India. So many avatars have come over here. This avatar that I have come and NCP has joined hands with our academy, I think is the most exciting, and I see a wonderful future. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Sridharji, if you have some few words to share with me.
Part of this announcement also, we have something called Milan 360. The word 360 comes from the recital that we're going to have is for our students from New Jersey, Maryland, North Carolina, and Mumbai. So the idea is that music is a universal language.